Open Photoshop.
You can download all the stock images for free from the link in the description. Control and click on Layer. Control plus I to invert, Control plus D to deselect. Control and click on Layer. Control plus I to invert, Control plus D to deselect. Control plus I to invert, Control and click on Layer. Control plus D to deselect.
Looking for custom cover, poster designs, or more? We're available for commissions. Tell me in the comments what design you want next.